Bwechisemi Muske Julius Ogamba Migosi nyakaba ogutarira na Korotota Obwagachi bw'ebirasi bya grade 9 ase county ya Kajiado okwana chinga kecho nigo abirga otemuna nigo emirobuli yonsi yabirke goikerana ase Obwagachi bw'ebirasi ebyo elikwargania abarukigwa bali baguchigosoa ase grade ya kyanda engane yo yanyakaba kegosirwa amo n'umuriki obutambe ase wizara Bwechisemi omuskebeli okipsang
nigo bono chiskuru chegwere bene nyuma yabarakia ko baisiko asumutumuko werusa ye Krismasi inentamwe ntanganya so mwaka bwechiri bubere 25 Omowaziri Bwechisemi Julius Migosi Ogamba niga Korotota raime skuru a county ya Kajiado ekarenge kenene kwene kemero ya bene yabekirwe asakwanire meroberi yo kubatrana gati serikali ne wizara ya Bwechisemi yo Obwagachi ebirasi kirwi komine isana nemo ya grade 9
structure in place, including the construction of the 16,000 classrooms that were required to allow the transition to be smooth.
Bune wizara ya Bwechisemi Migosi nigatebire yekiraniro Obwagachi ebirasi bya grade 9 kirwi komine nye asoko bwatrana na CDF.
As a ministry, we've managed to do a total of about 14,500 classrooms of those 16,000. That is together with the ones that we are partnering with the national government CDF programs. And this means that we are almost over 90% of the construction.
Nigo arireire yogo chokwene kebune birasi byonsingo agachabire ande monaso kogenda Korotota raime skuru ao na kubeke merobere yo erache wekirania irayaye.
So we came round to confirm that these classrooms have been done, and we are going to continue going around to check, even in those areas where classrooms have not been done, what arrangements we have put in place to ensure that the transition is smooth.
Diana Sawe, KCTV.